Welcome to a new Python series, guys. In this quick introduction, I'm gonna explain you what is Python and what is Python used for. So let's get started. What is Python? Well, Python is a computer programming language. It was written in C language, so the default implementation called C Python, and it was designed by Guido van Rossum. He's the man created Python. So thanks to him, and its first release on February 1991. And cool thing about Python is it's free of cost, which means no need to pay. What is Python used for? Well, Python is a general purpose programming language, so it can be used as many things such as mobile application development, web development, game development, machine learning and artificial intelligence, data science and data visualizations and web scraping applications and much more. That's all for this quick introduction, guys. I hope if you like this video, make sure hit the like button and smash the subscribe button and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching.